Hello everyone, welcome to Idols. I am Chandni Srivastav and today I will be teaching an advanced choreography on the song Heat by Chris Brown. The reason why I chose this song is because it gives a very good chance and an ability for you to showcase how swiftly you can dance but with a very relaxed vibe. So I think that will be a good challenge for all the learners out there. And this tutorial has been divided into 3 sections followed by a full-fledged showcase by me. So without much waiting, let's get started. Alright, so let's begin with the choreography and let's begin with section 1. So we are going to start on 1. The arms are going to be in front of your chest and you're just going to make a triangle. So you're going to shift it to your left, up and right. So basically making a triangle. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and up. With the legs, you're going to go right leg step, up, straighten and left leg out. So whichever side you're moving your arms, the same side, the opposite side, you're going to stick out your knee. So it looks something like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and up. Cool? From there, click, click, click. You're going to hop with your feet together. And the arms are going to go over your head like you're making your hair. So up, and as you come up, you're going to flick your heel right, left. So from here, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So on the 4, you are bringing right, left and hitting upwards with your right shoulder hit. So it's almost like you're pressing some button with your shoulder. So you hit and with the whole momentum, your right leg gets lifted up. Hit. Cool? So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. From there, you're going to put your weight on your right leg, step forward in a diagonal way. So the groove goes step, 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 step. So you are placing your feet, twisting, placing, twist, twist, twist. And you're going to let it lead with your pelvis. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? And make sure you're not going out, in, out, in. You just have to glide. It's like you're skating on the floor. Yeah? So from the hit, you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now with the arms, you're just going to show your index finger and you're going to touch 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 and finishing this part with a hop and slide. So you went 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to hop towards the left with your left leg and let the right leg drag in. So hop and drag and the arms just throw it upwards as it helps in your momentum. Yeah? Now from the top we go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, heel, heel, shoulder, left, right and hop, drag. That's good. Now make sure that you are very, very precise in this movement because it's going to be slightly faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, drag. Yeah? One more time and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7. That's the right count. So you're going to just, as I say 5 and 6 and, you should know that it's going to be slightly faster than the usual single count. So 5 and 6 and click. Cool? Now on the lyrics, we go 5, 6, 7, 8. You like it what you see. Click, click, hit. So this shoulder movement is coming on a snare. So you go 1, click, click, hit, and from there everything designer just for. So it's almost like you're pointing everything designer, but instead of pointing forward, you go everything designer just for me. So on me, you are dragging. Yeah? Let's try it at a slightly faster pace. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8. You like it, what you see. Click, click, hit. Groove, 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 me. That's right. Let's try this. Let's mark it on music to know about the musicality and the speed. Alright? Let's mark it on music. 5, 6, 7, 8.
You like it what you see. Everything designer, that's on me. That's why when I walk.
Cut. Let's try this one more time. So make sure that whenever you feel that something is too fast for you, make sure you have the stop points, like moving the arm and stopping, so that it doesn't just becomes loose. So you have to keep your arms really stiff in this. Not stiff like in the sense it has to be really, the stop points have to be very clear. So click, click, click. So in a, like a Pac-Man, so you just go make a triangle. Ta, ta, ta. Slow, ta, ta, boom. So this should look like one movement. One, ta, ta, boom. Everything designer just for me. So this part is very chill. It doesn't need to be like too energetic. Slow, chill, 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 ha. Yeah? Let's mark it one more time on music. 5, 6, 7, 8.
You like it what you see. Everything designer, that's on me.
Yeah.
That's why when I walk.
Let's try full out this time. So really be precise in the movement. Make sure not going too big because it's again fast. So click, click, click. 1, ta, ta, boom. Everything designer just for me. Cool? Let's do it on the music. Full out. Yeah. Hope you all are doing great. So moving on from here, we finished at the glide. From here you go and click and. So what you're going to do is with your right leg, you just tap, cross, center, back. Now when you hit at the back, you're not placing it, you're just going to hit it upwards. So tap, tap, hit. Yeah, so from here, tap, tap, hit. Now when you go the hit, you have to use the same accent with your elbow. So tap, tap, hit. Tap, tap, hit. And then you slowly place it and come in the center. Yeah, so from here, knee, tap, tap, hit and slow. Yeah, so this also comes on the snare. You hear me, snare, snare, hit and. From here, this is a very chill movement. This is like a transition. Click, click, boom. And from here, you're going to shuffle. So you're going to just shuffle to your right. Now when you shuffle, you're just going to kick your right leg up. Shuffle and kick. 5, 6, 7 and shuffle, kick. Yeah? 5. So you get click, click, hit and shuffle. So from here you're going to place and just tap your heel forward and back, forward, back. So when you do it, make sure that your upper body is also going slightly forward, which helps you balance it. So forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. Now make sure you're not going too forward because it will be very difficult coming back. So it's again the tap motion, tap, back, ha, 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 ha. Yeah. So from here, me, click, click, hit and shuffle, heel and heel back. Yeah. So from here, tap, tap, boom and shuffle, click, click. Now from here, you're just going to go for a like a sea walk here. So from here, you're going to initiate with your right leg out, in, out, in. So keep the left leg very relaxed. The weight will be in the center. You go out, together, out, together. So continuously your right leg is on the heel, like that. And the left leg comes step, heel, step. Yeah? Now with the hands, you're going to just point. It's almost like you're tracing your legs. So when the right leg goes out, straight hands, bend, straight, bend. Yeah? So from here, we went heel touch. From there you go straight, bend, bend. Yeah? Again, this move needs to look very, very relaxed, not like very, very fast, but ha and ha, like that. Yeah? So let's, From here, we are going to go heel touch, click and click. From there, you're going to place your left leg along with the right, and you're going to just go heel toe back in the center. Yeah? So we finished here, click. From here, you just go in the center for like 1 and 2 and. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and. Yeah? Now with the hands, you have to imagine as if you're wearing a t-shirt. Yeah? Which we do every day. So t-shirt, and just imagine that you have to tuck your head slightly in to wear the t-shirt. Which you're going to do with this movement. You go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and. Okay? One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and. From there you're going to just roll and forward. So your hands were here, you wore the t-shirt. From here only you roll, and it's almost like making a gun, but you're making spoon hands. So forward. Yeah? And your legs become parallel again. So even if you were here, you step it in and bring it at the same time, simultaneously. Yeah? So let's just go back on the new part. We finished here. Click, click, tap, and that's all when I walk, looking like you, hit. Yeah? So looking 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3. Now just to finish it, you just go pull back, and this is also a snare. So snare, lifting your right leg up. Hit, and from there you just go robo. So first you're going to go to the right. So it's just like a hit wave, and using your arms like a Robocop. So robo, forward. Now when you go right, you're initiating with the right leg. When you have to go forward, profile, left leg, and let it melt. Cool? So let's go through the remaining new part again. So we finished at 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. So this is on and 1, 2. So you can just imagine from the counts that this is going to be slow. So 1, 2. Yeah? Let's just mark this bit on the music to figure out the musicality and get comfortable with the speed. Alright, let's go. From here.
You liking what you see?
5, 6, 7 and hit, ta-ta-ta and.
That's why that when I walk, looking like you, just trying to fuck. Yeah, this trip got you in heat.
So, right from here you have to, there's no time, you just have to catch those 3 snares, click, click, boom and. Yeah, me, click, click, boom and. So make sure you're not shifting your weight to the right, you're keeping it intact on the left, you just go tap, tap, hit and. That's all of when I walk, looking like you. So we are just cutting it short, 1 and 2 and, hit, click, click. Yeah. Now that we have our entire one section prepared, let's just stitch it together, both the parts from the top. Alright, so we go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and a 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so just because we are catching the snare. So 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6, 7, 8. Yeah, one more time. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and a 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Alright, now let's try this whole chunk with the music. Let's mark it once and then we'll try full out. Let's go.
On me, that's why when I walk, looking like you, just trying to fuck. Yeah, this chick got you in heat.
I hope you all are doing great and you know, picking this fast, because since this is an advanced class, you can also practice you know, picking up your pickup speed. So make sure if you're learning quickly, that means it's you know, it's a really good thing, and if it's taking time, there's no problem, but with time, just make sure that, you know, your pickup speed increases, and the speed at which you are able to learn a certain chunk you know, should become better with time. Alright, so let's try this section full out on music. Let's go.
What you see, everything designer, that's on me. That's why when I walk, looking like you, just trying to fuck. Yeah, this trip got you in heat.
Alright, awesome. So now let's get into the new chunk, section 2, which we finished here. 7, 8. Now from here, there comes the snare again. So we are catching the snare. We are just going with the heel. So heel and knee goes click and. From here, ta, ta, trrr. From here you go heel, knee and forward. Yeah. From here you're just going to brush your shoulders. Brush, brush. Yeah. This is also groove. Brush and brush. So first what you're going to do is you're going to brush your left shoulder with your right arm down. Then the other shoulder down, and with the same movement, it's almost like you are contracting your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it profile 1, 2, 3, 4. So naturally there's a bounce even in the knees. So with the bounce, you're just going to lift, 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 lift. Just imagine there's some dust on your t-shirt, you're just brushing it, brushing it. So we do that twice. From here, 7, 8, brush, brush. Now after this, you're going to directly hop, join and hop to your left and let that leg slide. Something similar to what we did here, but the 4 points are going to be facing forward. So we go brush, brush. From here directly hopping to the left, dragging, and your arms go here. So he says ta-ra-ra-ra heat. So if it's heat, we are just showing that, you know, how much we are sweating. So from here brush, brush and heat. So it's almost like you're brushing and you just drop it. Click. From here comes 2 snares. Wave. So first we are just wave and hit. From here, the arms go drop, wave and hit. So once you make the wave, you turn your arms into fist and you click them up. Heat, ta-ta, boom. Yeah? And the legs, there's nothing much. From here, the legs just keep on dragging till the time you hit the shoulder up. Yeah? So on counts, we go 7, 8, 1 and a 2 and 3 and a. Okay? And a. So that's going to be quick. 3 and a. Yeah? From here, click. So let's just try this much. So let's try this from after the walk step. Yeah? So we go 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and a 2, 3, 4, 5 and a 6 and 7 and a. Yeah? So, yeah. So basically just a slight change. From here, click, click, we are going to go back first and then we are going to catch a snare. Yeah? So from here, click, 7, 8, yeah. He says yeah. So yeah, we move back, then we go click up and your arms come in front of your chest. Yeah. From here the same thing. Brush, brush, drag, wave, hit. Yeah? Now slightly speed it up. We go 5, 6, from here 7 and 8 and 1 and a 2, 3, 4, yeah, 5 and 6 and 7 and a. That's right. Now let's mark this much on music and let's just understand the whole musicality and where exactly we are hitting the snares, where exactly we are just going on the lyrics. Alright, let's hear the music.
You liking what you see? Everything designer, that's on me. That's why when I walk, looking like you, just trying to fuck. Yeah, this trip got you in heat. It's jumping, baby girl, hop on this D.
So this part is going to be quicker. Once you go for the slow, yeah. So this is almost like click, you hit and you let it flow. Hit, flow, back. From there, the speeded up part starts. Click, ha, click, click, wave, wave, hit. Yeah? So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and a 2, 3 and 4 and a. So you can hear the beat here. Ta, ta, boom, ha, ta. Which we are clicking. So we don't have much time to just let it drag, then wave and then hit. It's drag, wave, hit. Alright? Let's try this again on the music. Five, 6, 7, go!
You liking what you see? Everything designer, that's on me. That's why when I walk, looking like you, just trying to fuck. Yeah, this trip got you in heat. It's jumping, baby girl, hop on this D.
Alright, so basically just understanding the whole speed of this part, going flick, wave and hit. Now moving on from this part, let's finish this section. From here, you're just going to, your weight is in the center, you're just going to flick right and left back like that. So from here, you're just going to almost bringing your heel up, you're going to go right left. So it's going to be a hop, and with that your arms are by your side, it just goes take a circle clockwise here with your fists. Yeah, so it looks something like 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and, but it is going to be slightly faster. So make sure that you're just lifting and dropping in a count. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and from there you just go out with your right hand on your forehead, left hand on your stomach, out and right. Now with this movement, your heel is going left out, right out. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, and from there you just going to go step and let your shoulder come forward. Step forward, step forward. Yeah. So from here, click, roll up, forehead, open, step, shoulder, step, shoulder. Now along with this step, you're going to keep your fists right in front of your chest with flexible elbows. So as you click, your shoulder comes forward, but along with that your arms are also, elbow is coming forward. So just think of making a C with your elbow, tap forward, tap forward. Yeah. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and. Now let's stitch this up. So from here you go 7, 8 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 5 and 6, 7. Cool. Click and click. Now moving ahead from here, you're just going to go right leg, keeping your weight on your left, flick, break, ta ta ta, click, click, click. Yeah, and the arms are going to go out and out, center, drop. So out, center, drop. 1 and 2. Now the legs go out and drop. So 1 and 2. Arms go out, center, drop. Legs go out, break, down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. From there, we are going to go step together and twist. So from here, click, click down. Now as you go for the step forward, you're going to point forward. 1 and then grab a fixed point. So fixed point, it's like you're holding like a solid rod or a solid handle. It helps you make that fixed point and twist. So it should look as if you are holding it and twisting. So initially just try to hold and directly twist without shifting any weight, and then from there you're going to go put all the weight on your heel and twist. So hold and twist. Yeah. So from here, tap, 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 down. You know that I'm the beat. Yeah. So on the beat, you're using this hold to turn around from your right profile to your left. From there, you're just going to tap your left leg, tap, 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 keeping your weight slightly back. So from there, you go tap, tap, tap. Now along with the tap, you're going to initiate your movement from shoulder and arms. So first you go right, left, right. So just imagine that you have like 2 shopping bags in your hand, and you just have to make it move in a very slow, you're just throwing those bags in a very slow mo. So, and with each wave comes a tap. So you go ta, ta, ta. Cool. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. So weight will be slightly back, but at the same time it doesn't need to look so slow. It's a very chill step. Ha, ha, ha. Cool. Now stitching this part together, we go 5, 6, 7, 8 and click up, hit, hit, brush, wave, hit, jump, out, open, tap, tap, click, click down. You know that I'm the beat. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So there's like a second layer. He goes yeah, 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 on which we are doing the shoulder movement. Okay. Now let's do it in a slightly increased speed. Cool. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Click up, hit, hit, heat, boom, boom, boom. Jumping baby girl, hop on that, click, click, and ta, ta, ta. You know that I'm the beat, yeah, yeah, yeah. Exactly. Let's try marking this on music to understand the speed and the musicality. So let's just go. Five, six.
You like it what you see. Everything designer, that's on me. That's
5, 6, 7.
Looking like you, just trying to
7, 8, and
this trip got you in heat. It's jumping, baby girl, hop on this D. Yeah.
ta ta ta.
Know that I'm on beat. All these trips got you as a
So the slight pauses that you're getting is mostly here. 7, 8, and click up, hit, hit, wave, brush up, jump in baby girl. So this is more like how you have a conversation with someone, you just use your hands. So don't just like stick in one place. It's like jumping baby girl. So you just go left, right. In case it's getting too fast for you, you can just jump in baby girl. If it's getting like too many movements for you, you can just go hop, girl, hop on that, hit, hit, and then going right into one-hander. So hit, hit, ta ta ta. You know that I'm the beat, yeah, yeah, yeah. So even when you go for the fixed point, there is no much time for you to stay there. You just twist, yeah, 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 going directly into the wave. Yeah. So let's just try one more time on the music and then we'll go full out.
On me. That's why when I walk, looking like you, just trying to fuck. Yeah, this trip got you in heat. It's jumping, baby girl, hop on this D. Yeah, you know that I'm on beat. All these trips got you as a yeah.
So as and when you get comfortable with the speed, with the movements, you can play it and keep it in your own style. If you want to really go big with this, go ahead. If you want to keep it really chill, you can do that as well, depending on your comfort. Yeah, so let's try this from the top till here, full out.
On me. That's why when I walk, looking like you, just trying to fuck. Yeah, this trip got you in heat. It's jumping, baby girl, hop on this D. Yeah, you know that I'm on beat. All these trips got you as a yeah. Cause I some kind of love, girl, I know that you ready.
Hope you all are doing great. Just for better clarity, let me stitch up this whole entire piece that we've learned right now till here on counts, slow, and then we can try out music again. So from the top we go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. That's right. Now let's try this again on music and then we'll just finish the last chunk.
You see, everything designer, that's on me. this trip got you in heat. It's jumping, baby girl, hop on this D. Yeah, you know that I'm on beat. All these trips got you as a heat.
So whenever you dance, it's very important, like make sure that it's not looking chunk. You know, whenever you dance, it should look like you're doing it in a flow, but showing the variation in music. So even if sometimes you have to overlap your own, you know, the certain steps, for example, this part you're doing, it's almost like dragging and going into it. So if you find that challenging, make sure that you work towards it, because that really enhances the way you dance, you know, stitching all the parts together, and matlab aisa lage nahi ki, you know, you are taking just chunk and putting it together. Cool. I hope I'm clear. So let's just get into the last section. We finished yeah. So 7 and 8. From there, all you have to do is jump out, in, and the same thing on the right side, out, in. Now when you go for the out, make sure that your left leg, the outer leg is on the heel and the inner leg is on the toe, and then bringing it together. So you go out, in, yeah, one more time, 5, 6, 7, 8, out, in. Now make sure legs are not straight when you're doing that. There's a natural bounce, click, 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 click. Yeah, so the arms are going to go, the palms are facing outwards, you just click it in. Same thing on the other side, you just flip it in. Okay, so out, in. Now merging it with the footwork, you go out, in. Okay, I don't know what to call this group, but you go out, in, and from there he says something related to taste. So you just wipe your face and then step out with the right leg, and somehow just imagine you're climbing down a stair to your left. So you just go down, place your right leg. Yeah. So from here, from here 5, 6, 7, 8, out, in, taste and step out. Now as you place your knee, the same snare that we have been highlighting comes back again. So down, you're just going to hold as if you're holding again like a railing or something, and then you pull yourself up towards it. So you're going to get up. Now in this midway, you have to highlight the snare. So you're just going to wiggle your fingers, and at the same time, bring yourself up. Yeah. So from here, taste, from there, and then this part is very simple. You're just going to, there's a snare. So you just drop everything and bring the knee up. Ta, and then step, 3 times. Okay. So, drop, step. Now again, while you're moving forward, there's the same kind of rock in your upper body. Yeah. So, click, click, click. Now it depends on the speed exactly if you get time to place this one, but I usually do place it, and from there you just go out, in with your heel, out, in. Yeah. So click, step, out, in. Now if you notice the same kind of movement in the upper body, bounce, rock, and then go back. From here, drop, step, back. Okay, let's get back to where we had started this section. So from here, click, 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 out, in, taste, step, down, snare, drop, step, and back. Now the back part will be slightly quicker. Kick, click, click. as fast as you can go. So 1 and 2. Make sure you're not keeping it 2 out then bringing it 2 in. Just the same movement. Make sure you're dancing at the ball of your feet so that you're not heavy. You're very, very light, and you can easily transfer weight and shift weight even in this heel toe move. Yeah. So one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, in, taste, step down, twist, down, down, and back, back, back. Let's listen to this part on music.
You liking what you see? Everything designer, that's on me. That's why when I walk, looking like you, just trying to
5, 7, and
this trip got you in heat. It's jumping, baby girl, hop on this D. Yeah.
Ta ta ta.
You know that I'm on beat.
Out, in,
Those eyes, I'm trying to love. No, girl, I know that you ready. Girl, I'm not gonna let you down. I ain't gonna keep.
This might be possibly the easiest part in the piece till now, but I hope you all got it. He says eat in this part, eat and down straight away, catching the snare, snare, click, click, and back, back, back. Now from here, what we're going to do, we're going to step out with our left leg and take a slight wave outwards. And with the wave, our arms come out. This is like a flower. So 1, and similar thing on this other side, 2. Click, click. Yeah. So we went back, heel toe. From here, stepping, wave, wave, and then it's almost like you hold your head and slowly bring it down. So wave, wave, down. And as you bring it down, your right leg gets dragged in. And from here, you take a snare again, hit. So on the snare, you're going to tap your leg together. So from here, ta, step, step, back, 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 wave, wave, down, and hit. Now as you hit, you're going to again lift your shoulder up, but along with the arm. So hit and roll, roll. Yeah. So from here, wave, wave, down, snare, roll, roll. Now the last bit, you're going to go hit. So you're going to take your left arm, let it trace your right leg. So it's almost like because of pointing, your right leg is pointing out. Click, back, click. So from here, roll, roll, click in, click. So first you are going right leg out. As you bring it in, you take it again back, but with both the arms. So roll, roll, click, click, click. Now the last bit, you are going to use your arm in a circular way and your left leg joins the right. 1, break, break, and place. So from here, 1 and a. So now we are actually making a gun. First we didn't make a gun, now we are making a gun. Click, click, roll, up and shoot. One more time. So from here, back, 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 wave, wave, drag, hit, roll, roll, click, back, click, roll, bringing the leg up and shoot. Right. Just increasing the speed a little bit. So from here we went ta, like to, girl I'm not gonna wait, girl I'm not going to let you down. Now as you go down, there comes another snare. So down, you're going to tap, tap, tap before hitting the snare in. So not going to let you down, hit. I'm going to wait. Now click, 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 one is going to get it knocked up. So knocked up. Yeah? One more time. So 5, 6, 7 and light to girl, I'm not gonna wait. Girl, I'm not going to let you down. Ta ta ta. Hit. Roll. Roll. Click, click, click. Something. Roll. Knocked up. That's right. So we go slightly faster speed, the same section. So from here we go 5, 6, 7, 8. Click. Step, step and not gonna wait. Not going to let you down. Click, click, click. Hit. Roll, roll. Click and click. Roll and knocked up. Now let's try this section on the music. Let's mark it and understand the musicality. Let's hear music. Five, 6, 7, go.
You liking what you see? Everything designer, that's on me. That's why that when I walk, looking like you, just tryna fuck. Yeah, this trip got you in heat. It's jumping, baby girl, hop on this D. Yeah, you know that I'm on beat.
Click and click.
Those eyes don't tell no love. No, girl, I know that you ready. Girl, I'm not gonna let you down. I ain't gon' keep you waiting up. If you throw it, it's gon' get knocked up. You playing hide and seek, I'ma find.
So basically accent wise, first when you're going with the fast, 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 you really take the whole transition because we don't need to just dip, dip. With the wave and dip, taking the whole bit down, ta 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 ta. So you have to pause for a bit, down, click, 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 hit, roll, roll. Now you can play around with this part because you have so much time. No need to stick it here. If you want to roll, roll, show level, back, back, feel free to do that. So roll, roll, click, 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 roll and poof. So roll, point, click. Yeah, let's hear it again with the music and then we'll try full out. 5, 6, 7, 8.
You liking what you see? Everything designer, that's on me. That's why that when I walk, looking like you, just tryna fuck. Yeah, this trip got you in heat. It's jumping, baby girl, hop on this D. Yeah, you know that I'm on beat.
7, 8.
All these trips got you asking, yeah. Those eyes don't tell no love. No, girl, I know that you ready. Girl, I'm not gonna let you down. I ain't gon' keep you waiting up. If you throw it, it's gon' get knocked up. You playing hide and seek, I'ma find you.
Alright, I hope you all got this last part. The initial bits have been slightly trickier and quicker and it goes easy with the choreo, but I think that's the whole fun of it. That's the whole fun of showing variation in a song. So let me just stitch up this whole part and on counts so that we can practice it together and then perform this whole piece together on music. Yeah. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8 and click up 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and drop, step, step, 5, 6, 7 and 1 and 2, click, 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 roll, roll, click and hit, roll, roll and bend. That's right. Slightly quicker almost tempo without music. So we go 5, 6 and 5, 6, 7, 8. I like it what you see. Ta ta ta. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and a 6, 7, 8 and tra, brush, 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 roll, hit, jump, click, click and a hit, hit and ta ta ta, point and a fix, hit, 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 out, in, brush, step, roll, tra, drop, click, click and back, back, back. Not gonna let you down. Ta ta ta. Roll, hit, hit, click and click. Roll, roll and boom. Awesome. So let's mark this whole piece on music and then we'll try it full out. Alright, let's go.
On me, that's why when I walk, looking like you, just tryna fuck. Yeah, this trip got you in heat. It's jumping, baby girl, hop on this D. Yeah, you know that I'm on beat. All these trips got you asking heat. Yeah, those eyes I'm trying to love. No, girl, I know that you ready. Girl, I'm not gonna let you down. I ain't gon' keep you waiting up. If you go ahead, it's gon' get knocked up. You playing hide and seek, I'ma find you.
Alright, awesome. Now let's try this full out, keeping all the accents in mind, the pauses, and where exactly we are hitting the snares. So, without waiting, let's go for it.
You liking what you see? Everything designer, that's on me. That's why when I walk, looking like you, just tryna fuck. Yeah, this trip got you in heat. It's jumping, baby girl, hop on this D. Yeah, you know that I'm on beat. All these trips got you asking heat. Yeah, those eyes I'm tryna love. No, girl, I know that you ready. Girl, I'm not gonna let you down. Gon' keep you waiting up. If you go ahead, it's gon' get knocked up. You playing hide and seek, I'ma find you.
Hello everyone, I hope you all had a great time learning this choreography at Idols. Now make sure that you record it and upload it at your Idols account and get it reviewed by me. Till then, stay safe and keep learning at Idols.